Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol RWLK. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So this here may look like several days worth of time. It's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame. I think it does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I don't mean to state the obvious, but I will anyways. Very, very nice day today. Big volume and nice price reaction with it. So let's map out some levels of support. Then we can talk areas of resistance. The first level is what I would call the ideal level of support, and that would be right up here at $1.75. Now, if the price falls below it, I'm not saying that the entire chart's ruined or anything like that. But yeah, if the price can manage to stay up above $1.75, that would certainly be a big sign of power on the bull's part. Next level of support after that, down here at $1.55. So $1.75, $1.55, two near-term levels of support. But taking a step back and looking at the big picture of things, and perhaps you're just somebody that cares about the grand scheme of things, you know, the big picture. So you're just saying, look, is there a way to just measure the overall health of the move? This right here being defined as the move. And that is where the purple line here comes into play, the famous 50-period simple moving average. Keyword there being moving. So as time goes by, this line is going to continue to move upwards and look something like that. So from a very cut and dry, just a very simplistic way to answer the question of the overall health of the chart, of the move. Simply put, as long as the price is above that purple line going forward, then the bulls are in full health, full control, no questions asked. Now, what about levels of resistance? If this upwards move is going to continue, where are some of these potential battlegrounds at? If you're watching the level 2s today, then I'm sure you noticed this level here, especially in the afternoon, but right up there at $1.90. Several times, price tried to get up through there, and you can see just couldn't quite do it. So there are certainly some sellers sitting at $1.90 right now. Next level after that, we're going to have to scrunch up the chart here a little bit. I realize it's getting harder to see, but this is a good problem to have when you have to scrunch up a chart like this to go back into a chart's history. So after $1.90, next overall level of resistance, right up here at the top of this former channel, and that sits up there at 205. You can see, looking back here through the history of the chart, there was a channel, and that was the top of it. So 205, next level. But as it stands right now, first got to get up above $1.90, and really at the end of the day, as long as the price builds higher bases over time, then the chart will take care of itself. So nice way to start off the week. We'll see just how much the bulls can build upon this momentum. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now, and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.